picture. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Now,
much.
for the next final award, with a total of 86% of the criteria. Best in talent portion. Best in talent portion showcases their skills, dancing, and overall talent. Best in talent portion goes to...
Contestant number 1 again!
Oh my god! The winner will receive an additional badge, a certificate presented to us by our beloved manager, Mr. Benji Mesa.